Welcome to MonroeMotors.com. Here we have a 2021 Jeep Grand Cherokee Altitude, which is a Laredo with an appearance package with ProTech package and Uconnect and a bunch of other things I'll show you in a minute. It does have the trailer towing package, as you can see on the back here. So a hitch and wiring, both 4 and 7 prong. In the back, you've got a cargo area cover, so a slide over cover that folds up. You've got fold down rear seats. You've got a cargo area covered to cover this cargo area here, which covers your full size spare tire and gives you storage for a bunch of other things that you could neatly fit in around it in those little compartments there. So that's pretty cool. Over here, you've got your power tailgate button. So we push that and it goes down. You've also got a power outlet right there. So if you can plug in and your subwoofer. And then it's got the gloss black Jeep logos on the back, rear wiper, an air spoiler built in. It's got the roof cross rails on it, so that's pretty awesome. Have a look down the side here. It's got the gloss black wheels. It's got painted white arches. On the inside here, have a look in the back seat. You've got dual fold down rear seats. It's got, and they fold flat. And then over here, you've got your air conditioning and power outlet for plugging things in. It does have a fold down armrest on the 60 side as well, so that's cool. Little mat pockets in the backs of the doors and cup holders in the side of the doors, so pretty awesome. On the passenger side over here, you've got the Alcantara inserts here with the leather sides, and then recliner and adjustable seat right there. Let's just climb in here. Have a look in the door frame as I'm climbing in, and you'll see right here that it's got the Jeep books and the little wiring hitch for your trailering package. It's got the ebony black wood trim, which is really nice against the black. Subtle, not gaudy, just really nice. Dash is clean, inside is clean, everything's looking fabulous. This is like a nearly new car. Can I just check something there? Yes, full sunroof right there. That's what I thought. Yep, want to point that out. And the Alpine sound system, the gloss black logos, gloss black wheels. Under the hood is 293 horsepower V6 engine made into an 8-speed automatic transmission. Have a look at the hood mat, nice and clean and tidy. Under the hood is awesome. Let me close that so that we've seen enough of that, and we'll move on. There's our other gloss black Jeep logo and that super nice looking grille. That's the Altitude grille, which looks really good. It's got painted front fascias, and this one has the ProTech package, so you've got a little camera down there for all of the goodies, and then the camera's up there for more goodies. See the camera's up in there, so we're all set. And here's your other front rim, no curb rash, no issues, nearly new. Easy access entry when you have the keys in your hand. And we'll just step back here. This no curb rash at all, just nice and clean and tidy. And the same thing in the back seat here. Just fabulous. What a beautiful car. So on the driver's door here, we have power windows, power locks, power mirrors, and Alpine speakers in the sound system. Down here, you've got your gas door opener, automatic headlamps right here, and then on these buttons here we've got our wipers and rear wipers and cruise control, etc. there. So let's climb in and we'll just fire this one up. Push button start. 13,308 kilometers only. Start stop is included but not ready when the door is open. So let me turn that down. There you have your Uconnect, which has the factory navigation. It's got the controls for your heated seats and your heated steering wheel, your backup camera, etc. all right there. You've got climate control right there with automatic zones and dual zones. And then you've got your stereo with AM, FM, and XM satellite radio. More controls down here to do that manually so that you can have easy access to the tactile touch buttons. You've got the automatic transmission over here, which has the feature where you can put it in drive and then flip it over to manual so that you can shift it manually right there and have control over the car if you prefer. Down here we've got the Jeep four-wheel automatic system with mud, rock, and snow and sand. All our acceleration and deceleration up and down a hill is there. And then, sorry, if I push this button here and there, you've got line in, USB, and power outlet right there. Illuminated cup holders, as you see, and then in here we've got a little 12-volt outlet in the glove box and lots of room in there. Up here are the controls for the garage door opener, your sunroof, and your rear tailgate, all right there, so easy access. You've got the SOS button up here and your power button for that, and then your assist for your, if you want assistance. So we better stop that because we don't want assistance right now, thank you. Okay, so easy peasy, okay? So everything's there, clean, tidy, runs like a top, super smooth, but has enough horsepower to push you around. This one's got the cruise control over here, and the buttons for your dash are right here. So this changes all of your little info buttons there, so you can change it from trip to fuel economy to average liters, lane sense. So you can have your lane sense on or off, and flip that on and off, and there you go. And then your phone buttons down there. So all very easy to use, nice leather wrapped steering wheel. So again, you've got crash assistance, lane keep, all the nice features of the modern technology, along with an Alpine speaker system to go with the Uconnect system, and lots of room in the back with fold flat seats. So let me just go to the front and have a quick look at it from there. The lights on, nice bright lights, lots to see there. Good looking machine. It is a very popular SUV for good reason, because the four-wheel drive system is so fantastic. The fuel economy is still great. It's a good size. It looks good. It feels good. And a lot of people like it. Those seats are very big and comfortable. So there you have it, folks. That is a 2021 Jeep Grand Cherokee Altitude, just 13,000 kilometers. It's here and available at monroemotors.com. Hey, come on down and have a look at this one for yourself. I'll look forward to seeing you real soon.